You can once again design your own customizable plans, 99.9% uptime, a 30-day money-back guarantee, and a fully integrated billing module through your reseller control panel. So ultimately, why should you buy Flexi-Hosting, right? If you aren't already, then why should you actually go ahead and start buying our Flexi-Hosting? There are several reasons, honestly, and I've tried to cover them one by one. Apart from all the different options available now in terms of flexibility and customizability, we've got robust infrastructure. We've been working on our infrastructure for years now, and we've been in this industry for years, and we've got the right amount of experience. I won't deny that there are times where with any hosting provider out there, things can go wrong, but the idea is to learn from those mistakes, and the idea is to make sure that when you learn from those mistakes, they don't repeat themselves. And this is what we offer you with our infrastructure. The amount of experience that we have gained in this industry, the amount of work that we have put into improving our infrastructure is phenomenal. So you've got several security features, you've got 24/7 monitoring, you've got data protection and load balancing, and several system administration people taking care of all these aspects for the servers where you offer your customers hosting packages. Right. Reason number 2 is our control panels. So like I said, everything is available through one integrated control panel. And within that control panel, you can use cPanel to manage your Linux packages. You can use Plesk to manage your Windows packages, which are widely and the most popular control panels out there for both these platforms. Right? These are pretty much the de facto names that people have in their minds when they think about Linux hosting or Windows hosting. And both these are accessible through your ResellerClub interface. They can be managed from there, and all the billing, all the provisioning is also available within your ResellerClub reseller control panel. So it's an all-in-one sort of solution that's available to you in terms of control panels. Moving on. Reason number 3, your pay-as-you-go model, right? And believe me, it doesn't get any better than a pay-as-you-go model, because no pre-purchases are required. You start profiting from the first package itself, and there's no inventory management, right? So if you look at it, all the way this really functions is that your customer places an order and pays you for it. You basically have an advance account that you maintain with us, and that is debited according to the package that is being created. And while that is being done instantaneously, the package is provisioned for the customer, right? So it's an extremely uncomplicated model. It's an extremely simple model that can be followed for reselling hosting services. Reason number 4, and need I say more? I mean, hosting is something which is only as good as its support can get. And I can't tell you the amount of effort and the amount of resources we have put into our support department. In fact, we're one of the only registrar-focused sort of providers that actually offer you live chat support. This is in fact extensively available for hosting as well. So that basically means that if you have an issue, just log into your control panel and click on live chat and actually talk to a support executive immediately to be able to tackle your queries. Other than that, you've got several other support channels that you can use. You can write in a ticket. You can use our knowledge base. You can call us. You could follow us on Twitter and gather all the updates that we put up over there with regards to support. You've got a frequently asked questions section as well, and you have a demo account for a lot of testing that you can do. So there are several different support channels that can be used. A lot of them are self-help, but a lot of them are channels that you could use to contact us, and we will basically get back to you ASAP. Right, so reason number 5, marketing materials and tools. So, again, this is something that is just not available with a lot of other hosting providers, with a lot of other large hosting providers that you might know of or that you might be buying from. You get telescopic pricing where you can actually set discounts for longer duration purchases that your customers make. You can use the resource center where a lot of white label marketing materials such as banners, mailers, and all sorts of other images and inventories available for you to be able to market these hosting services to your customers. You can set announcements and use the send mail function within your control panel to be able to mass mail or mass announce anything that you wish to your customers. So tomorrow, if you're actually offering some sort of a promotion, or if you basically want to talk about a new feature that has been launched and you want your customers to know about it, you can use these tools which are available within your control panel. You can run promos at any time with your hosting products or offer special discounts to specific customers as well. And you can even create your own network of sub-resellers, which essentially means that you can create a network of sub-resellers without any initial investment. And I guarantee you, believe you me, this is not something that's actually possible with any of the other service providers out there, right? Because if you think about it, a sub-reseller chain always requires a certain amount of investment, always requires a certain amount of infrastructure investment as well as resource investment. You don't need to do any of that with us. Moving on to reason number 6, and this is in fact one of the most interesting new features that we offer only to some of our resellers that have partnered with us and are selling our hosting services, etc. We actually give you a customer base, right? So if you look at it today, as what exactly can a hosting provider offer you? They can offer you the infrastructure for your plans. They can offer you the plans themselves, which you can create on your own, or you'll have to offer the plans that are offered by your upstream provider. And then they can offer you some method of actually selling these in an online fashion. Now we offer you all of these, but at the same time, we even complete the business cycle by actually giving you potential customers that could come on board with you, right? So there are a lot of times that end consumers come to ResellerClub and wish to purchase products and services through ResellerClub. What we do is we collect these guys and we actually forward them to our resellers from time to time, right? So this is an exclusive program that's only available with ResellerClub. If you guys want more information about this, I suggest you guys contact your account managers, or you could use any of the contact information that I'm going to provide to you at the end of this webinar. Right, so what do you do next? It's simple, honestly, and if you haven't done it already, then start selling. Start selling our hosting services. They are top-notch products. It's something that is just not available in the market in the manner that we're offering it to you. If you aren't already selling it, then all you need to do is go to the Settings tab within your Reseller Control Panel, Manage Products and Pricing, and click on the status for the Web Services section, which has been highlighted on the top right-hand corner of your screen. And once you click on that, you'll see a mural pop up that opens up in front of you, where you can choose to sell, or you can choose to not manage any new orders, or choose to not sell. So if you are on option number 2 or 3, then move to option number 1 right away. And once you start selling, if you have packages that exist with other hosting providers, migrate them, because we have a migration plan that's available for you so that you can move all your packages, whether they be on Linux or Windows, whether they be on cPanel or Plesk, onto our Flexi-Hosting model. So you can actually contact your account manager, and there are special prices available for packages that you're migrating as well. There are bulk discounts that we're offering you guys, and I'm not going to talk too much about it because if your curiosity levels are high, then I'm a little greedy. I need you guys to contact us, okay? So contact us right away if you're looking at migrating your existing packages as well. And finally, contact us for anything and everything that you need. You've got an excellent product in front of you. All you need to do is start selling it. All you need to do is start offering it to your customer base. You can use the contact details provided on in front of your screen, and you know, contact me or contact my team or contact the account managers at any point in time. We're here for you, and we're more than happy to assist you with anything that you need.